Good morning, my dear children. I hope you all are doing good. This lesson is for class nursery for the topic water animals. Parents, in today's lesson, we will talk about few water animals. Children, come. Let us learn about few water animals. Children, please tell me, which animal is this? Yes, children, very good. This is a fish. Children, a fish lives in water and breathes with its gills. A fish swims with the help of fins. Children, please repeat after me. This is a fish. This is a fish. Children, look at this picture. It is a dolphin. Children, dolphins are very intelligent and are known for their playful behavior. Children, dolphins love to eat fish. Children, please repeat after me. This is a dolphin. This is a dolphin. Very good, children. Parents, please take a break for 5 minutes. Welcome back, parents and children. Children, this is the picture of a crocodile. Crocodiles can live both in water and on land. Crocodiles have 4 legs, 2 eyes, a thick tail, and a strong jaw. Children, the skin of the crocodile is very rough. Children, please repeat after me. This is a crocodile. This is a crocodile. Children, can you please tell me, which animal is this? Yes, children, this is a frog. Children, a frog has smooth skin and long legs. It has a long sticky tongue which helps it to eat insects and worms. A frog can live both in water and on land. Children, please repeat after me. This is a frog. This is a frog. Very good, children. Children, I'm sure that you all must have enjoyed learning about these water animals. Bye-bye, children, and have a nice day.